What's going on, everyone? This is Shadow here with a very special unboxing. We're going to be opening up one of my favorite games of all time. In case you can't tell through the plastic, this is Super Mario Sunshine for the Nintendo GameCube. And as you can clearly tell, this is a completely new copy still in the plastic. So let's go ahead and open it up before I get to playing it, shall we? I don't know if you can tell, but I'm like super excited, and I thought, what better thing to do than, unbox it for the first time in front of everybody here and see what we got. Ooh, I remember this little blue disc right here. This was one of my favorite games growing up. Believe it or not, I went through like 5 GameCubes growing up because, shit happened. But, okay. See, I remember this little brochure thing for Nintendo Power, which sadly no longer exists. Health booklet, which, I don't care about. And then one of my favorite things was the little instruction booklet right here that tells you how to do everything, but I can kind of remember. This is going to be fun to play again. I really do love this game a lot. I don't care what anybody says. I love this game to death. I really wish it got a re-release. Oh, look, this even has a little security thing in there. That's awesome. So yeah, I picked this up. It was around 80 bucks, and you know what? To me, it's worth every single dollar. So that's going to do it for this quick unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'm going to get my GameCube fired up so I can play this bad boy. See y'all next time.